In this video, we are going to see about the introduction to Indian Constitution. So this is the first unit for Indian Constitution subject. So let's see about the Indian Constitution. So it was adopted in 26 November 1949 and it was enforcement on 26 January 1950. So let's see about the important dates in the history of Indian Constitution framing. So during 9th December 1946, Constitution Assembly of India was formed first. Initially, it was formed on 9th December 1946, and Dr. Sachidananda Sinha was provisional chairman of the assembly, which was formed on 11th December 1946. And Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the President of the Constitution Assembly on 13th December 1946. So these three incidents occurred on December 1946. On 29 August 1947, drafting committee was appointed with Dr. B. R. Ambedkar as the chairman. On 4th November 1948, the draft constitution was completed and circulated for suggestions. The constitution was adopted by the Constitution Assembly on 26 November 1949. The constitution came into effect in India, becoming a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic on 26 January 1950. And some important quick facts on Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution consists of 22 parts, 395 articles, 8 schedules, and it took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to frame the Constitution. 11 sessions of the Assembly was conducted. 299 members of the Constitution Assembly was originally, now it was followed. Originally it was 389. Let's see about the salient features of our Indian Constitution. The Constitution is written and codified, and it is one of the lengthiest constitution in the world. It has federal structure and with a strong center. The power of the legislation, executive and judiciary are clearly separated and clearly described in the constitutions. The fundamental rights are guaranteed for all the citizens in India. It lays down directive principles of state policy for social and economic democracy. India is a sovereign, socialist and secular democratic republic in the world, and it is one of the biggest republic country in the world. It provides universal adult suffrage to all citizens above 18 years, so they get the major benefits and provisions after the year 18 years of age. The judiciary is independent to ensure justice for all. That means the justice is acted upon without any interruption of the government agencies. Flexible constitution was created. It is both rigid and flexible. It can be amended as per needed whenever there is a demand or circumstance occurs. The constitution amendments can be passed and the laws or articles can be included or excluded or modified. Parliamentary form of government is formed and it is elected by the people, and we always speak about the integration of diversity where it ensures unity in diversity and promotional national integration. Even though there are Indians are separated by languages, states and various things, but they integrate on a single point of view as the nation India. So we, the people of India, as constitution is not the documentation as prescribed by the great peoples. Our constitution articles, schedules, parts, annexes and amendments. So let's look about what is an article, schedule, parts, annexion and amendments. Articles. We have already described that 395 articles were initially written and it is still unchanged. Articles are the individual provisions of the Constitution They define the rights of the citizens, the structure of government, powers, duties, and procedures. Schedules. Schedules contains the list and details that supplement the article. They provide specific information related to various subjects. Totally 12 schedules. Originally it was 18, now it is 12. Parts. Parts are major divisions of constitution. They group articles on the basis of subjects or topics. So articles are the main part of the constitution, and the schedules are the list and the details of supplement of the articles, which is the additional informations, and parts groups the articles. Annexures. Annexure include additional information or explanatory material to certain provisions, especially related to schedules or special provisions. So, if the supplement article needs some detailed explanation, an annexure will be added to the supplement. Amendments. Amendments are changes made to the constitution to meet the changing needs of the society and strengthen democracy. So totally 106 amendments was implemented till July 2025. So for a quick review, articles lay down the rules, schedule provide the details of the articles, parts organizes the constitution, and annexure adds supporting information to the schedules. Amendment keep it relevant and effective, and do the whenever there is a need in the society, it does the changes. So these are the various important keywords in our constitution. Preamble and its significance. The preamble of an Indian constitution is we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved Constitution India into sovereign society, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens. So, when we speak about justice, it should be social, economic, and political. So, it should not be any variation should be followed in social discriminacies, economic variations, and political influence. So, liberty is a thought and expression, belief, faith, or worships. So, you are having the rights to for liberty where you can express your thoughts and you can go with your faiths and beliefs and you can worship whichever you prefer. Equality of status and of opportunity is given through government in various sectors, and still we follow the policies for reservation to bring the equality among all citizens, and it promotes all of them equally. So the main objective of the constitution is to give equal rights and to promote all the citizens in their life. Fraternity assures the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. Significance of preamble. So it introduction to the gives an introduction to the constitution. It serves as an introduction and states the purpose and objectives of the constitution. It expresses the people's will, that is, it reflects the collective aspirations and willingness of the people of India. It embodies the fundamental values and principles that guide the governance of the country. Also, it inspires the making of laws and policies in line with its ideal of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Citizens from our Constitution, Part 2, Article 5 to 11. So, citizenship is the bond that connects individuals with the nation with the rights, responsibilities, and a shared destiny. So, what are the various important points about citizenship? Who is a citizen at the commencement? At the commencement of the Constitution, 26 Jan 1950, a person was a citizen of India if he or she dominically in India or born in India or of Indian origin who was had migrated from Pakistan to India before 19 July 1948. This is from Article 5. Article 6 states that migration from Pakistan. A person of Indian origin who migrated from Pakistan to India on or after 19 July 1948, but before 1st March 1950, it is a citizen if he or she is registered as a citizen of India. According to Article 7, a person who was ordinarily resident in India but was outside India for employment, business, vocation, or any other purpose is a citizen. He or she or either parent was born in India. As per Article 8, a person who is a minor child of a citizen of India is also a citizen of India. As per Article 9, the Parliament has the power to make any law regarding the acquisition and termination of citizenship and all other matters related to it. Article 10 states India does not permit dual citizenship. A person who carries the citizenship of any country automatically ceases to be the citizen of India. Article 11 states Parliament can make any law to regulate citizenship, including its acquisition, termination, and all other related matters. So, as per the laws, rights of citizen, a citizen can enjoy all the fundamental rights. He can vote, he or she can vote in elections and is eligible for government jobs subject to laws, and equal protection of laws will be provided to all the citizens. Duties of a citizen as per Article 51A, every citizen shall abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals, and he or she should cherish and follow the noble ideas of our freedom struggle and promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood, protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. So these are the various articles from Part 2 about citizenship from our Constitution.